Hey everyone, it's David at Finish Line Factory, and you're here in the Finish Line Factory Secret Technology Center, undisclosed location in Pompano Beach, Florida. And we're working on the Miata race car that we're building, as well as not a race car, it's more of like a high-performance street car, kind of like a sleeper kind of thing. So last you saw, we were dropping in the engine, we were doing some other stuff, and off camera I did some of the more mundane things like reattaching the AC hoses, reattaching the alternator, connecting the heater hoses. Yeah, it doesn't make sense to film all that. I guess the more major thing that I had installed was maybe the radiator. Maybe I should have filmed myself installing that, but whatever, it's in the car now. I also ran the hose for the coolant relocation kit, the coolant reroute. And yeah, so all I have left to do now, well, I have a laundry list of things to do, but next I'm going to do start installing the drive shaft and reinstalling the power plant frame, so let's get to it. Oh my God, look at that. At some point, I just turned the camera off. Whoever said working on Miatas is easy has never had to deal with a power plant frame, because you have to kind of like line up everything. You have to line up the whole drivetrain. The height of the transmission has to be just right, for all the, you want all the planets to align, and then you can put the power plant frame and bolt it down. So now it's nice and tight. Drive shaft is on. Almost there, almost there. Now it's time to install the shifter, and I got a little bit of oil here for the The shifter's, I guess, the turret oil. So the shifter has its own separate oil that is separate from the transmission. So we're going to do that right. Alright, so we got a good bit of work done today. We did the drive shaft, power plant frame, hooked up the starter. What else did we do? Lots of little miscellaneous things that I did off camera. Installed the shifter. Installed the heater hoses. And a couple things here or there. But each step is just like another little bit towards getting the car running. So I think next I have to oil, coolant, transmission oil. I need to run the remote oil filter that I bought, and I need to install the oil cooler. We're going to be running a lot of high temps on the track, all kinds of stuff. So it makes sense to have something to keep the oil temperatures cool. I've heard of really high oil temperatures on a Miata, sometimes in excess of like 330 degrees. So having something like that will be very beneficial. So that's all I have for you today. Thank you for watching. If you need any fittings, hoses, anything like that, if you're interested in becoming a dealer with Finish Line Factory, send an email to info@finishlinefactory.com, and you can check out all of our product line at finishlinefactory.com. So thank you for watching, and I'll catch you later. See ya. Bye.